Hey guys, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and today I am going to be doing a review for a new gaming chair I picked up. It is by GTPlayer. I picked it up on Amazon. It was a great price, over half off, and I'm not going to go through a full build part of it, but I am going to unbox it, put it all together, and give you my final thoughts. Alright, so this is the box it came in. Big box, GTPlayer on it, be cool, be free. Kind of a nice little tagline of sorts.
1 hour later.
Alright, so I got the chair put together. I really like how it turned out. The material that's used on it is like a nice suede type fabric. I do have pets, so I'm kind of worried about hair collecting on this, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, I can get a lint roller and get that all off and everything, but the material feels good. It does recline. There is a lever on the side that you can pull up and down, and what that does is basically locks it into place. So if you are in a certain seating position, you lock it and you'll stay in that place. The only caveat with that is I feel like if you want to just lean back on command, you have to pull that bar for it to unlock and, you know, reposition yourself. That's a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm definitely going to use the chair. I do think it's a nice chair. It's normally over $300, but it was 60% off, so I went with it. I like it. It does have the pull-out footrest here. Just a small guy, but might be nice for lounging purposes. I think it's overall good quality. I think it's gonna last long. It's not like the fake leather like the other chairs that are out there. This is my review of the GTPlayer gaming computer chair. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.